Welcome to another session, correction of sentences. Now let us see these correction of sentences. As we all know, these are all very important ones to speak English properly. Now we will see one by one. First, I want to read out the given sentences. We received no information. There are many luggages. Mathematics are his favorite subject. My friend brought shoe yesterday. These are all the sentences with some wrongs. Now you please chart where we can find the wrong word or grammar. Now let us see one by one the answers. By that we can understand where we are doing mistakes. We received no informations. The right one is we received no information. The word informations is not available in English dictionary. No informations. It is only information. It is one information, two information, or multiple information. So there is no plural one for information. Information is used as plural as well as singular. Next one is, where are my luggages? What is the wrong here? Where are my luggage? No luggages, it is only luggage. If there is one luggage, luggage, two luggage, that is also luggage. No luggages, it is only luggage. Next one, mathematics or his favorite subject. Mathematics is a singular one, it is not the plural one. So mathematics is his favorite subject. When we see just like that, mathematics, same as politics, here the spelling is wrong. It is the typing error. Okay. Mathematics is a singular one. Politics is the singular one. That is a subject. Politics is the subject. Economics is the subject. Civics is also subject. For all these, we have to use is, not, are. Next one, my friend brought shoe yesterday. What is the wrong here? My friend bought shoes yesterday. It is not the single shoe, it is shoes. We have to use shoes, not shoe. Now let us go to this next slide. In this slide, we can see 4 sentences. Now I read out. Smita bought 5 dozens oranges. I have 2 brother-in-laws. Jyoti is my cousin sister. Gopal is running 16. These are all the sentences. You please find the wrong. Give me chart which word is wrong. First one, Smita bought 5 dozens oranges. What is the wrong part here? The wrong part is dozens. Smita bought 5 dozen oranges. 6 dozen. 10 dozen. So just like that, we should not use the plural one before numerical one. 5 is the numerical, so we should not use plural after that. For example, 10,000 rupees, not 10,000s. Next sentence, I have 2 brother-in-laws. What is the wrong here? The wrong is brother-in-laws. It is not brother-in-laws, it is sisters-in-law, brothers-in-law, same as sisters-in-law, same as sons-in-law, same as daughters-in-law. The plural should be given to brother, sister, son, daughter, not la. So here the wrong one is brother-in-laws. Next one, Jyoti is my cousin sister. Jyoti is my cousin. Here we should not use cousin sister or cousin brother. Only we have to use cousin. Next one, Gopal is running 16. What is the wrong here? Give me chart. Gopal is 16 years old. That is right. We should not use running 16. We should use 16 years old. Next slide. There are 20 females in the class. I and Gopal went to park. Ravi invited me and you to the dinner. Every player must bring their bat. You please go through the sentences and find out the correction. First one, there are 20 females in the class. Females is wrong here. 20 female. Already I told you, after numerical you should not use plural one. 20 female in the class. Next one, I and Gopal went to park. What is the wrong here? Yes, Gopal and I went to park. That is the right construction. When we use sentences just like this, there is a rule. Third person must be given to the first place, then to the second person, then to the first person. Gopal is here, third person, and I here is first person. Next one, Ravi invited me and you to the dinner. Ravi invited me and you to dinner, not the dinner. Before dinner or before breakfast or before lunch, we should not use the article. The is definite article. So here before lunch, dinner, breakfast, we should not use the article. Next one, every player must bring their bat. What is the wrong part here? The wrong one is their bat. Every player must bring his bat, not their bat. Here, every player is the singular one. It denotes the singular noun. So, we have to use his or her. So, every player is the third person. So, we have to use his or her. But generally, we use his because we do not know the gender. Another slide. Please go through the lines or sentences. One must love his or her parents. You are the most tallest girl in the class. The population of Vijayawada is greater than Guntur. Her older brother is an engineer. Now you think, give me the answer for the first one. One must love his or her parents. What is the wrong part here? The wrong one is his or her. One must love one's parents because this is the rule. One is the subject. So there also we have to use one's, not his or her. This is the fundamental rule in grammar. Next one, you are the most tallest girl in the class. Here, most is wrong part because tallest is superlative degree. So, no need of adding most. Most will be added to some adjectives. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Here, tall, taller, tallest. So, no most tallest. Here we call this is redundancy. Most is wrong here. Next one, the population of Vijayawada is greater than Guntur. What is the wrong here? Could you find any wrong? Yes. The population of Vijayawada is greater than that of Guntur. Why? Because here we are comparing population, not comparing Vijayawada with Guntur. So here when the population is compared, here we have to use that of. So the population of Vijayawada is greater than that of Guntur. If you remove the population, then that sentence would be right. Vijayawada is greater than Guntur. Here we are comparing two cities. When you compare population, you have to use that of. Next one, his older brother is an engineer. What is the wrong here? Yes, the wrong is older. Her elder brother is an engineer. What is the difference between older and elder? The meaning is same, but the usage is different. We use older when we compare the age with other persons. We use elder for our family. So, older is for outside of the family, elder is for in our family. So, here the right one is elder, not older. Next slide. He is an European. It is an 1 rupee note. Banu is a honest man. Vijayawada is on Krishna. Now you please think on these 4 sentences. Give me chart. When we see the first one, he is an European. Here, an is wrong. He is a European is right. When we see European, it is giving vowel, it is not giving vowel sound, it is giving consonant sound. So we have to use only a, not an. Next one, it is an 1 rupee note. What is the wrong here? It is a 1 rupee note. We should not use an before 1 because 1 is giving consonant sound. Though it is started with vowel letter, but it is giving consonant sound. That's why we have to use a. Next one, Banu is a honest man. Here the wrong is a honest because honest is giving vowel sound. It is not honest, it is honest. So we have to use vowel sound rather than consonant sound. Okay? I think you're all following my class. What is the next one? Vijayawada is on Krishna. What is the wrong here? Vijayawada is on the Krishna river. That is right one. Some people say Vijayawada is in Krishna. So there Krishna, what is this Krishna? Krishna is district, or Krishna is river, or Krishna is a proper name of a person. We have to think. Here there is no clarity. That's why Vijayawada is on the Krishna river. This is the right one. Before rivers, before mountain ranges, before oceans, we have to use the article. Next one, we'll see. The iron is a useful metal. What kind of woman she is? She is taking milk daily. They have been working in our factory for 1990. You all please think on this. Please find out which one is the wrong one. When we read the first sentence, what is the wrong part here? The iron is a useful metal. Here the wrong one is the. We should not use the before metals. The silver, no. The gold, no. The iron, no. Before metals, we should not use the article. Next sentence. What kind of woman she is? What is the wrong here? Please give me chart. I think you are all following. Here the wrong one is what kind of woman is she? Not she is. Because this is interrogative sentence, we have to use auxiliary form before noun or pronoun. So, what kind of woman is she? Is right one. Next one, she is taking milk daily. What is the wrong here? In this sentence, tense is wrong. She takes milk daily because daily is everyday routine action. So we have to use simple present tense. The form of the simple present tense is S plus V1. That means subject plus the first form of the verb. So she takes is right one. She is taking is wrong one. Because this is the daily routine action. For example, sun is rising or rises. Yes, sun rises in the east. This is the daily routine action, same as universal truth. The next one, they have been working in our factory for 1990. What is the wrong here? Tense is okay, wrong, or which one is wrong? So when we see this, what is this? The wrong one is they have been working in our factory since 1990. So here, when we are talking or using present perfect continuous tense, we have to use either for or since. We use for the period and since is for point of time. One is period of time, another one is point of time. For example, they have been working in our factory for 20 years. That is right. That is the period of time. 1990 is the point of time. So here we have to use the point of time, that since, not for. I think you're all following my class. Next one is answers also given. Very easy. The apple is tasting sweet. Right? The apple tastes sweet is right one. Why? Because it is the general truth. Apple tastes sweet. I am having a problem. So here we should not use having, we should use only have. I have a problem. Next one. They have left for Mumbai yesterday. They left for Mumbai yesterday because here, here the adverbial time, that means yesterday, today, tomorrow, these are all adverbial times. Whenever we get yesterday, we have to use simple past tense, not present perfect tense. Here the sentence is in present perfect tense. That's why it is wrong. The right one is they left, not they have left. Next sentence, she said that she is going to Hyderabad. So here in the sentence, we have to maintain the same tense. She said is past tense. After that also, we have to use past tense, not is. Is present tense, was is past tense. So said is in past tense, same as that is also should be in past tense. So was. Otherwise, we can say like this. She says, not said. She says that she is going to Hyderabad. Why? Because instead of said, here we have used say. Next one. Please go through this. When she will solve our problem? She went to market. Is he? Being a rainy day, we did not go out. I ordered for coffee. When we see these four sentences, what is the wrong part? Come to the first one. When she will solve our problem. Here wrong part is the sentence construction. When will she is right, not when she will. Because this is in interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentences, we should use modal verb or helping verb before noun or pronoun or subject. So, when will is right, when she will is wrong. Come to the next one. He went to market. Is he? This is the question tag. Here, the wrong one is in question tag. Please give me the right answer. The right one is this. He went to market, didn't he? Is the right one. Not is he or isn't he. Didn't we have to use because went is in past tense. Here we have to use the auxiliary verb, that is did. Come to the next one. being a rainy day, we did not go out. What is the wrong here? Here sentence is wrong. It should be added. It should be added. The next one is, I order for coffee. What is the wrong part here? The wrong one is for. Why? Because we should not use for after order. So here the wrong part is for. We'll see the next one. They entered into the room. Here we see they entered the room. After entered, we should not use into. Next one, he sat besides me. Besides means in addition to. So he sat beside me is the right one. The boy goes to college by walk. By walk is wrong. The boy goes to college on foot is right. Next one, we all know Sarala is suffering with fever. Here, the wrong one is with. We never use with after suffering. After suffering, we have to use from. Sarala is suffering from fever. So these are all some correction of sentences. So you please go through some more correction of sentences. By that, you can understand the language in the right way. You can do 100 correction of sentences. You can collect those from internet. This is the exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through chat. Thank you. Thank you so much.